Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I did this warm eyeshadow look. Some of you have requested it. I've put out a poll on Dahlia Beauty TV, my Instagram page. And yeah, I hope you guys actually follow me there because sometimes I like to ask what you guys want to see. And this was a look that was basically requested based off of the poll that I put out. So if you want to know how to create this look, then keep on watching. So I'm just putting this concealer on my eyelids so it can conceal that darkness. Some people don't have dark eyelids, which is pretty cool. Unfortunately, that's not my case. So as you can tell, now my eyelids are basically primed. So now I'm gonna use this Urban Decay to prime my eyelids. You don't have to do this, especially if you already put the concealer on your eyelids. So for today's look, I'm just gonna do a soft, warm color eye look. I'm gonna use this tape just so I can have a nice sharp line towards the end of my eyes. Just remember that if you're gonna use it, to do it the back of your hand so it's not that sticky, and this is a really delicate area, so you wanna make sure that you don't damage that part of your skin. Okay, so now I have it on both sides. And today I'm gonna be using the Jacklyn Hill palettes. These are such beautiful colors. This is actually my first time using this, so I'm really excited. So I'm gonna start with this color right here, which is In Light. So I'm using In Light as a base. Now, it seems like it has a little bit of a satin color to it, but that's okay. So I used this color as a base color because I'm gonna start going in with brighter colors, warmer colors, and this usually is a good way to make the other colors pop. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and this one is called MFEO, and this one I'm gonna use as the transition color. So this is a really nice transition shade. It's actually very light. It's actually just probably a little too light for, not light, sorry, but it's really resembling my skin tone. So I'm probably gonna go in with another color right now. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. This one is called Butter. So I think for my skin tone, this is actually a better transition color. The other one was a little too similar to my skin tone, which is not such a bad thing. I'm gonna be applying other colors later, so I do need it to help me transition into the darker colors, and that one was just not doing anything for me. Now, with the transitioning, I don't really recommend to go too precise with it because at the end of the day, you're gonna build up with other colors, so it's not really a big deal. It doesn't have to be neat. So there we go. So far we have our transition colors. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is Buns, and I'm gonna start building on from the outer corner of my eye and going up into the crease. So now I'm gonna go in with this mustardy shade right here, which is called Pukey, which is actually kind of appropriate because it kind of does look like puke. And I'm gonna sweep this color right here on the actual eyelid. So now I'm gonna go in with this beautiful, I mean, it doesn't really show properly on camera, but it's almost like a maroon color, and I find it absolutely gorgeous. This one is called Roxanne. Roxanne, you don't have to. Anyways, sorry. I probably made you guys a little deaf there. So I'm gonna go in with that color and darken that outer corner a little bit. So this one I'm just gonna put on the outer corner right here. I'm not gonna bring it too far in. But again, don't worry, you have that tape over here, so that tape helps. It's almost like a guiding point, so you don't have to worry. So right now, obviously everything's looking a little crazy. And I'm just gonna bring this up just a little bit. Later on, I'm gonna go in and clean the right underneath the brow bone. So again, just going on the outer corner of my eye. Now, I know when you're watching, you're probably like, wow, that's a really harsh line. That's a really harsh line. Don't worry about it, because when you go in, I'm gonna go in again with the same color that we used over here, that pukey color, and I'm gonna diffuse it back out. So it's all gonna look nice and smooth later on and blended. So I'm gonna go in again with pukey, but I'm also gonna go in with Pooter. And I'm basically just gonna blend these two colors and put them on my eyelid. So when we go in like that, it blends it out nicely. You don't have that harsh line in the middle anymore. Now, because like I said, this is more of a soft look, I don't wanna put too much shimmer into this look. But what I am gonna do is I'm just gonna apply a little bit with my fingertip. So I'm gonna go in with Little Lady. Apply it in the center. So applying a little bit of this like satiny shimmer color, especially if you have brown eyes, it's gonna make it stand out. So I'm gonna go back in with this color right here, which is Buns. And I'm gonna use it on my lower lash line. I'm gonna use this precision brush right here. And then I'm gonna take this darker color right here, which is Chip, and I'm gonna smudge out my outer corner. And now I'm gonna take off the tape. So obviously, as you can see, everything's looking a little crazy. This side is actually a little rounder, but that's okay. I'm gonna soften it all out. So I just usually take a clean brush and I just soften that up. If you're anything like me and you feel like, oh, I see these little hairs and it's pissing me off, I should have done this in the beginning, but I actually forgot, but it's not a big deal. You can just go in and just quickly put some concealer, and then you can just go in with a brush and just kind of clean it up. So as you can tell, it's already cleaning it up. Okay, so my eyes are almost done. I'm gonna add my eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. One thing I did forget to mention is I actually already did my brows before I came on camera with the Wonder Brow gel, so that's why my eyebrows were pretty much already done, and all I was doing today was working on my eyeshadow. So now that my eyes are done, I'm gonna go in and do my foundation, my bronzer, my blush, and my lipstick. And my face is already primed and prepped right now, so I'm just gonna go right into it, and I'll be right back. If you enjoyed this look and you wanna see more looks, please let me know. Leave your comments below. Let me know what look you wanna see next. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And again, I'm sorry about the background and the lighting. I'm still trying to figure it out. I don't have my ring light here anymore where I am, but I do hope that this is good enough for you guys for now. Let me know in the comments below if this is okay, or if I really need to get a ring light again and invest in better lighting. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Bye!